my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be in the snow for 24 hours and I am so scared to see how this is gonna go. I really hope I don't get frostbite or anything. So without further ado, let's go to my cabin. Well, let's go to the cabin in the snow mountains, and yeah, let's take my backpack. Wait, actually, I don't think I will need that. I will need something else. And the things that I need are in the cabin. So let's go to the cabin and get ready for this challenge. Alright, you guys, so here I am in the cabin now. And, well, as you can see, it's pretty much snowing outside right now. And it is currently 5 p.m. So I'm gonna have to be in the snow until 5 p.m. tomorrow. So let's get changed into some winter clothes. Okay, you guys, so I now have my winter clothes, and as you can see, I got these snowboarding goggles. If I don't know if they're called snowboarding goggles, but I got these goggles. And okay, so I got these snowboarding goggles because it is supposed to be snowing super hard today, and there's gonna be a blizzard today. And because of that, it's probably not the best time to be doing this challenge, but I really don't have many video ideas right now, so we're still gonna be doing it because it's the beginning of January now and it is a new year. So happy new year, everyone. It's kind of late, but you know, better than nothing. So yeah, let's just do this. Let's just get started with the challenge, and I'm super nervous, but let's go. Okay, I don't feel too cold right now because I just got out, but let's see how this challenge goes. So it's 5:30 p.m. now, so I just came outside. When I step off this wood right here, we're starting the challenge. So ready, set, go. Okay, it's currently 5:30 p.m. so I have to stay here until 5:30 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so here I am. I have no phone, no nothing. I am surviving 24 hours here with nothing, just a clock slash like a timer. That is all I have, and all of this outside, which is a bunch of snow. So let's find something to do because I am gonna be bored. Okay, let's go here. I can hear some like birds, so you know. What is this? Ooh, there's a seal. So cute. Okay, let's leave that alone. I don't know what to do, you guys, and it's gonna get dark soon. Okay, wow, just as I say that, it gets dark. Okay, well, it now is actually getting even more cold. Currently, the temperature is 5 degrees, which is not the best temperature to be at. So, you know, I'm super cold, but let's find something to do. Let's try to build a snowman. Okay, that's super cute. Now for some arms. And oops. Okay, I can't put the arms on it, but it looks like it's dabbing kind of. So that's kind of funny. And yeah. Okay, well you guys, I got my food. It looks so delicious. So it's time to eat now, finally. And it's right now it's 6:30, so 1 hour passed. So let's eat. That was so good. Well, I'm just gonna leave my food right here because I can't step on that wood or else I will be failing the challenge. So let's just leave it right here. And mom will come get it in a few minutes. And yeah, well, let's go do something else. Well, we passed the time. Let's go play over here. Oh no, you guys, I almost fell on this water that's literally right here. I would have been frozen. Please stop chasing me. Okay, well, I guess he stopped chasing me, but now he's on top of a snowman. Oh well, I'm just gonna be going to sleep now, you guys. It is 8 p.m. and it's getting late, so I will be going to sleep now. I don't know where I should sleep though. Oh look! I found that. That's so cool. Let's look for a place to sleep. I think I'm gonna be sleeping right here. Cover myself with like this snow. And maybe it'll get a bit warm under this tree. Alright, well, perfect. I'm gonna be going to sleep now, you guys. I'll see you in the morning, and I hope everything goes well and I won't get hypothermia or anything like that because I'm currently so cold. It is super cold in here. Well, I'm gonna be going to sleep, so good night, you guys. I'll see you in the morning. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is currently 3 a.m. and I don't know what I thought, but this was definitely not the right choice to spend 24 hours in the snow. I am so freezing cold. My face has turned blue and I can't stop shivering. I'm so cold. I'm so cold, so I'm gonna have to go inside and tell my mom to take me to the hospital because I think I got hypothermia or something. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. And I'm so sorry I was not able to complete the 24 hours in the snow because it definitely took a turn. I was not expecting to get hypothermia and literally almost freeze. So if you guys can, please like this video because it is very much deserved after everything I went through. So yeah, and thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.